future in-laws house.
They're like, we want to go extreme.
He understood.
Yeah, she's like, she asked him in Portuguese, can I go? And he was like, yeah. She's like, oh my god, he understood me.
Segura.
Complete adrenaline.
Alright, ready? Good. Stop.
Se tiver de boa velocidade, faz assim. Se ele quiser que diminua ou que pare, faz assim.
Slow down, speed up.
Slow down, mais rápido.
Then turn right onto East 28th Street.
Today's Easter Sunday.
Street for half
We're
a
going
mile.
to the church and then we are going to have lunch with Owen's family. I'm gonna take the kids to the church here in the United States. Yes, kids. They're very excited.
Oh, very. Oh, so very.
St. Philip Neri Catholic Church.
And she's like, it's fine. Yeah. It's fine.
You can make bracelets or necklaces. A bracelet or a necklace. Yeah, have you ever done that before? You just put the beads on the string.
Yeah, they love it.
Jelly beans.
I'm jealous. You better hold on to those. I'll take them.
Yeah. Okay, we like jelly
Owen
beans.
says, be careful with your jelly beans or he's going to take them.
Because they have different flavors.
No,
so.
they're good. They're good at sharing, yes.
What's the last?
And then
Yeah, that was a very generous Easter bunny.
oh yeah.
Okay.
So do the adults get Easter baskets too, preferably with like
I don't
groceries,
see-
cleaning supplies?
I don't see any. I think the bunny aged you out.
I am 23 years old. I am not that old.
Can they go?
Oh yeah, go
Yes.
find eggs. Yes.
Egg hunt. Easter egg hunt. Tama. Ah!
Tem mais alguns aqui.
Vitola.
This is for the empty eggs. Clip them back together and put them in there. And then here, I'll get you each of them.
Eles são reutilizáveis, né? Então...
Sim. Eu tava colocando ele pra não saber.
É aqueles que a mamãe tem em casa.
Ah, na verdade, eu não posso.
Bags for their candy.
Bags for the candy.
Is there another brush?
Oh, that thing like.
I told you.
Oh, that's stuck.
Is it stuck? This is impressive.
Do you want me to slide that on?
Thick of an egg.
Nu está sendo engraçado, né? Do you know the Wi-Fi here?
I think so.
I think so.
either-
Means
I'm not
what?
sure.
I
think so or no?
I
just realized
There you go.
yeah, I knew there was no E.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, and stuff like that. You lied to me.
Thank you.
Yeah, we figured it out.
Did she know it or was she lying?
No, she lied.
Yeah, I figured.
No, she knew it a little bit.
Bunny, come here. So this is how it works. Ready? So you take the egg, you crush it in your hand,
Oi.
and then you drop it on each other's head. They're scattered around the yard.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go. I have to do it. You got it? Confetti Egg is the name of this game. It was too fast. People are too crazy to do it. You know, like
I had 12 dozen.
12 dozen.
Yeah, so 144. And it was like Just
Yeah, it's like 5, not even 5 minutes. No, 3 minutes.
Photo bomb.
Oh, photo bomb.
Okay, good.
Tell me what.
Pode ir, papai? 1, 2, 3.
And we got cold.
He's like, am I doing it?
Hey, Koza. The boys and Koza. Ooh, let the dogs out. Ooh, let the dogs out.